I should have brought some snow gear.
I'm probably gonna fall really bad. Easy on wheels, very hard on ice.
This has got to be undoubtedly the coolest thing we've ever done. Nigel Ryan Jones, good morning. You're looking absolutely great right now. Dude, we are in uncharted territories right now. You should be excited.
We're prepared, Gabe. This isn't uncharted. We skated on dish soap. We skated an ice block.
Ice block?
That's all you need.
That's all you need. I didn't even skate dish soap.
We rollerbladed too.
We rollerbladed.
Yeah.
We've been prepared.
This is just like all of those combined.
Just like all of those combined. A new thing of new things.
So we are at Dublin, Iceland, here in Dublin, California.
No, not Ireland.
We got in contact with Dublin, Iceland. Steve, who I believe kind of manages everything, was nice enough to let us come here and have a private session and film our ice skateboard. We have this entire place to ourselves right now. There's a few people heading out right now. We are entirely excited. Yes.
We are.
Nigel, you better be excited.
I really hope I get skates so you can see how fast I am. I'm just like, have you ever seen, all right, imagine Frozone, me. That's
Where's your
exactly what it
super
is,
suit?
because I'm like,
But where's your super suit?
I'm wearing my super suit.
Yeah, he has foot spikes, so when you're pushing, you don't slide around. I gotta say thank you again.
Yeah, no
thank
problem.
you so much.
Maybe the camera guy, he'll be able to move better.
I'm pretty good on some ice skates.
You're not better than me, but I mean, you're probably all right.
This is probably one of the safer videos we've done. Let me get a pair of ice skates real quick and then we'll head in there. Wait, both of you have never ice skated?
Neither of you? I'm like a torpedo out here. I'm just telling you.
I didn't know if torpedo was good or bad.
All right, brothers. I think we're good to go.
It's Frio out there. I should have brought some snow gear.
Oh, it's nice and chilly. Ooh, it's like the Braille house in the middle of the winter. Dude, oh my
I'm actually a little
gosh. We have a freaking ice rink to ourselves. People do not get to do this often. This is unbelievable. Oh, this is slippery ice, huh? Uzi.
Oh, I messed up. Wow, how's the ice skates, Gabe?
They're slippery, dude.
They're probably, everyone's looking at us right now like, what do they do?
We're just like in a fish tank right now and people are looking at us funny. What's up, Frozone?
I just want to go fast. Can't even keep up. I'm like a flat. Ready for this? Turbo speed.
Good.
Uzi, I can see your breath, dude. Hey, Carlos has made it. Hello, Carlos.
Sick today. Those pretzels were a bad idea, dude.
My hands, they're freezing.
All right, should we do this opening?
No, there's so much like plastic you gotta rip off.
Yo, it's so cold in here.
Isn't this weird, Carlos?
Yeah, I've only been ice skating once.
Oh,
Oh, what?
oh dear. There's a note.
I'm scared of that thing is gonna chop my leg off. Oh dear. Dear Braille, from the people who brought you the two-man skateboard. Bread in dips are added again with the ice skateboard. Not a sled, all capital letters. It's not a sled. This board can only be ridden at an ice skating rink. Since this might be outside your guys' warehouse, no pun intended, we recommend everyone should wear a helmet. We take no responsibility for any injury. For those who wish to know our real names, we put our signatures at the bottom of the board. Try to guess what they are. Thanks again for accepting our submission. We hope our boards get to go on the wall. Your fans, Bread and Dip. Try not to die, or at least have fun doing it. LOL.
Look at this, dude.
Wow.
That's amazing. The ice skating board. How is it? Is it sharp?
No.
Oh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad.
We're not gonna die.
That looks scary.
Scary.
I love that it's on a Kryptonics board, though. That's like the best thing ever.
We could ask if we could ride the Zamboni.
I do wish Aaron was here right now, though. I feel like Aaron would kill us all.
Cold.
Yes. Yeah.
Whoa, that's weird.
Oh, that's incredible.
The throwdown.
Oh.
If it was sharper, you...
Wow, that's amazing. That's why you need the spikes.
Oh!
Does it work? It kind of works.
Shove it.
can't push, you have to like stomp. Ah, it sucks.
No, hey, this has got to be undoubtedly the coolest thing we've ever done. Hey, you got the spikes on, Petty?
I have one spike on.
You got one spike on your
push.
foot?
To push.
He's gone. He's gone.
I tried to just go as fast as I could.
Oh no! I still don't think I can kickflip.
Who's gonna kickflip it first?
I'm gonna do a rolling, brother.
Yes.
He wasn't even moving.
I want to ride the Zamboni.
Oh, you got that. Oh, yeah, that was a good one. Oh, I don't know about that.
It's so hard. Straight.
A little slippery. Oh!
I took a blade to the ankle. Hostile. It's gone.
Just like Tahoe, it went up my butt.
Yes! Uzi's nose is so red. Yes.
No pop, but I count it.
Let's see if this works.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Nah, there's no way.
Oh no! Missed it.
Oh wait, you gotta straighten it out.
It's good enough.
Oh,
There it
there.
is.
Do you think if we put a heater in here, it would just make like a big pool? This is a hard one. Are you joking? Oh my gosh. Easy on wheels, very hard on ice. This is awesome.
This is very cool.
This is really cool.
People in the future comments, can you tell Nigel what he's doing wrong on his straight flip?
See, that's easier. Moving is like just intense. I'm gonna give this to somebody else for a minute.
Ow, are you good? Ow, I slammed so hard.
I got bodied.
Oh!
I can switch heel though. Shove a late flip on ice. I'm probably gonna fall really bad.
That fully counts. That fully counts.
It's like I got too much ice on my shoe.
Wow. Someone sit on it and just push you around.
It's so hard.
All right, come on. Hey, someone's got a penguin slide.
Oh no!
Brand new.
I think my toe's gone. I think my toe's gone, and I think half of my ankle is indented, and it's bleeding.
I can't take it seriously if Fetty in the background.
I'll take that first one.
Where are you racing to? Red
Blue
line.
line.
Blue line? Which blue line? There's like
The
three.
circle one.
Who won? Leave a comment below.
Let me hit something real quick.
Bro, all this blade and not one single vampire, bro.
It's time for the tray flip. Here we go.
Ooh! This one's for you, guy.
Oh, you got that.
That was like a cartoon.
I just think I'm all slip, no stick today, right now.
Oh, there it is.
This one's for pizza, America, and hip hop. You saw my foot just go.
The blades aren't real blades and they got bent.
They got bent so they just grip.
Oh my God.
This is a terrible idea. 100% terrible. This is worse than that.
Yes. What you think of that?
I don't want to. Did you see me turn a little bit?
Yeah.
I don't even have to go that fast. Look at this. Look at this. How far do you think I can go?
Back 360 power, like pivot.
Hold on. I can do it better.
Hey, the practice on the soap really did help you out.
I did.
The longest primo slide.
God, why is that so hard on ice, dude?
Do you like this, buddy?
I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad I'm like coordinated.
Oh, I'm having so much fun filming this.
We're gonna land this one, Carlos.
Yeah, dude.
I want to get you guys on some ice skates. Can you go ask him if you guys can get ice skates so we could film you guys doing your first ice skating lesson?
Hold it!
Uzi, this is your first time ever ice skating.
First time since I was born. I never ice skated this whole time.
How old are you?
26, I think.
All right, good luck, brother.
Do it!
It's so slick. Oh, there you go. How do I stop?
You're an expert.
Wow. Oh, I don't have them tight at all, so it feels like I'm gonna snap my ankle like every time.
My hands were so cold, I was afraid if I touched it, it would have taken my hands off.
Mine are warm now.
I just want to do this, man.
He held on to it. Woo! Hey, Fetty, you should roll at me and I'll go over you like this. Ice, ice, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
One of our best videos yet.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, it's so hard because my feet are ice. Oh my! You push down and it just slides, and like your foot is so slippery, you can't flick.
No friction can't stop us. We out here.
You know, I've been saying that for the past week now, just at home, so you don't hear me.
What?
You know what I'm saying? We out here at beautiful Stonehenge. The dumb stuff is pure genius and dumb, and it just doesn't register in my brain until weeks later when I'm by myself.
I can't hear. Oh, there we go. No, no.
What would you think of that, guys?
This is a pretty slick video.
All right, you guys, that was a ton of fun. A huge thanks to Steve and Dublin, Iceland for letting us come and skate here for a while. You guys should definitely check them out. The link will be in the description below. Come give him some business, and if you come here, tell him that Braille sent you. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and click those, check them out, subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let us know if you want to see more content like this. You guys are the best, and we'll see you tomorrow.